Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to run in Fallout New Vegas on PC. Unlike many modern games, Fallout New Vegas does not have a specific button for running. Instead, your movement speed is dynamically calculated based on several factors. Understanding these mechanics is key to moving more quickly across the vast Mojave Wasteland. We will explore how to optimize your character and inventory for maximum speed. To significantly boost your movement speed, focus on your character's agility. A higher agility stat directly translates to faster base movement. Furthermore, pay close attention to your worn equipment. Heavy armor will noticeably slow you down, so opt for lighter gear or even no armor when speed is paramount. Always manage your inventory to stay well below your maximum carry weight. Several perks can also enhance your mobility. The Travel Light perk, for instance, grants a 10% movement speed bonus when you are wearing light armor. Another useful perk is Light Touch, which further improves your speed. For immediate, albeit temporary, bursts of speed, consider using chems like Turbo. These can be invaluable for escaping dangerous situations or covering ground quickly. If you truly desire a dedicated run button, the Fallout New Vegas modding community offers solutions. Various player-made modifications can add this feature, providing a more traditional running experience. However, be aware that most of these mods require a script extender to function correctly. Before installing any modifications, it is always a good practice to back up your game files to prevent potential issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.